Okay, look at my cart. I haven't even been here this long. That's crazy. All right, well, it looks like they're about to refill both sides of the walls. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's actually like a burlap material. It must be a tablecloth or something. Corkboard. Pillows. Ooh, I see a globe. It's missing its holder, but I might still get it. I love the colors of it. It's a pretty yellow pillow. There's another one here. Together is our favorite place to be. I like the color of these pillows too. They are large. Lots of pillows. Bright pink lampshade. Some large pink pillows. This one's shaggy. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. That's just some strings on it, probably from that pillow. Y'all, this is so cute. Love how long it is too. All right, let's add to cart. This would look good on my bench in my foyer. I've never seen a whole sectional here before. Let's see what the price is. $50, 3-piece sectional. They have a pond. Anybody needs a pond? It's $20. Brandon is going to love this shirt. It's a Christmas fishing Magellan shirt. All right, they refilled the walls. Let's go dig. Bags. Oh, this looks like vintage Christmas. This is paper cutouts. Here's some brass. Reindeer. Ooh, I love these tins. Let's see what's inside there. Wait, is this unopened Christmas stuff? Is that a swan? Stop. Okay. Okay. Here's some tablecloths. And here's some more paper stuff. All right, I need both hands. I gotta look through all this. Look how cute. They have some Halloween cutouts, some Santas. Oh my gosh, it's a bunny rabbit. Valentine's Day, bears. All right, that was a good bin. The rest of it looks like bags. Toys, glassware, Tupperware. Ooh, some vintage tins, butterflies, some paper plate baskets, it's another tin. Oh shoot, I didn't realize they refilled the other side too. Stuffed animals. This looks like some more Christmas. Oh, yes, look at that. I have to open that up, see what that is. Santa head. Somebody painted this. Oh, another Santa head. Here's some Scrabble pieces. It's nice and aged. Here's the little benches. There's a Ziploc bag right here. Actually, this looks like vintage ephemera. I'm gonna throw all the Scrabble pieces in here. I like these two frames, the wood with the gold and also the gold and the white. I found a black leather bag. It's in really good condition. This is a brand. It says made in Italy. Pretty, right? Ooh, y'all see what I see? Two little tiny creamy white pictures. Dusty blue plate is cute. Oh, there's a white one under it. These may look cute in Ryan's room. I'm gonna go ahead and grab them. Okay, I've been here maybe 15 minutes. How did my cart get so full? This is a smaller quilt, so it might be like for a baby. But isn't this adorable? The back is solid. This is the front. I'm getting this. They pushed my cart to checkout line. Nope. I am not checking out. What's this? I still need to go through everything in the cart, and honestly, that big long pillow is what's taking up most of the cart. It's a hamper. Yep. I don't know what this is. It's a swing. It's a rug. They just brought out some new bins. Umbrella stand. I don't like the pictures on it though. My fridge. Oh my gosh, this is another quilt. We can do garlic. Here's another globe. It's also missing the holder. I might get that one too. This gold tray is so pretty. Is it missing something? I feel like something went there. I wonder if it was a table. Maybe the legs will be in here. This one's not in as good shape as the other one, but it's still really cute. I think I'm gonna get it. Also found this beautiful, it says handmade copper bowl. It is very heavy. So the other side looks like so pretty. And I think I might get this, even though I couldn't find the legs, because let's see, here's a table. You just put it on the table, and you don't even see the imperfections. It's just like a cute raised tray. They just brought out a new bin, and I got this giant basket. It's in excellent condition. I don't know if I need it, but this would be really cute for a tree, a Christmas tree. What else could we use this for? Like, it's in perfect condition. I gotta get it, right? Okay. Look at my cart. I haven't even been here this long. That's crazy, but I do need to go through all of this. Just found this gold tray. I was thinking this basket could be a little side table. I don't think this is the right piece to put on it. I would put something wood. But that would be an option as well. I just went to the restroom. I was gonna go through my cart real quick and then check out because I gotta go. And of course, they are dumping the wall. Oh, I'm gonna have to stay. I found a bag of fairies and gnomes and other little mini fairy garden things. So I'm gonna get this for Rain because she's actually been making a fairy garden. And how precious is this cat? Somebody hand painted it. They did a really good job. What is this? Clay painted this. School's going to be starting before we know it. These binders have never been used. They still have the tags on it. Binders are expensive, so if I can get them at the Goodwill Bins, I will. I took these Santa heads out of the box so we could get a closer look at them. They are so pretty. I'm trying to organize all of my stuff. I still got to go through all of the paper decorations, but here are a few things I don't think I showed y'all. This mug is really pretty. Got that Americana look. USA on the bottom. I would just use this as decor. A Dooney and Burke wallet. I do believe that it is real. It is so pretty. Look how cute these tiny little embroidery hoops are. It's the tiny little cookie cutters, and they are aged to perfection. Also got this luggage tag for myself. It says, "Out of here." All right, let's go dig. Toys. Oh, there's some plates. This one has a plate and a matching teacup. The brand is Kent Potter. You know anything about that? Nothing in here. have a lot of this pattern and I absolutely love it. It's Rose Hedge by Wedgwood. There's a whole stack of little bowls, also some little plates. I'm getting all of these. These look like the plates that went with some cups I saw earlier. I didn't pick up the cups, but I'm wondering if I should get the plates. I found 2 of these. This is the marking on the bottom. It's kind of hard to read. But they're in really good condition. I don't know what they're for. It doesn't look like they had a lid or anything. Some little decorative bells. Those are cute. Okay, I don't use silver too much in my house, but I love these silver frames. I got that gold one, and also look at this little watering can. A lot of the paper decorations were Halloween. Aren't these so cute? I like the little witches and the little cats. I found one fall piece, a squirrel, and here's some Christmas stuff. There's quite a few of these Santas, some Valentine's Day, and one Easter bunny. I Google Lens these 2 pieces, and apparently they're Italian Florentine. There is a sticker on the back, so I'm gonna get them. I think they would look good on the wall too. Wouldn't that look pretty? Well, I would say this was a pretty successful trip to the Goodwill Bins. These are all the paper ones that I'm getting. Another leather bag, these Florentine pieces. Don't forget about that big basket. I love this pillow globe. I decided not to get the other globe, just this one. Tons of vintage Christmas items, quilts, and clothes for my family. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. If you're interested in the types of items that you see in my videos, you can find them on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, in the home decor section, or you can come check me out on Whatnot. I have shows every single Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.